So, this is the view from our terrace, from our apartment. And I've got to say, I think it is the best view. I think it is definitely the best view of any accommodation we've ever had.
Anywhere else you pay extra for this.
We know when we were flying over, I think we flew over that bit.
Harbour. Yeah, I recognise it. Like we circled back round, didn't we?
So is that the port? I'm trying to work out where we are, off the map.
Yeah.
But I'm sure I saw a port. But anyway, I definitely saw that when we flew over. So that was a standout point. But just to take this in, look at the size of this. I was really surprised because normally you get like
a tiny square of balcony.
Yeah, and I mean it's the full I would have been happy without the dining area. If it was just these two seat bits.
It's like that's a bedroom, isn't it? Really?
Yeah.
So you could literally have cut it for.
We've got two accesses to that. We can have a look in there actually. We've got some bits. What's that? Restaurant card. I'll have a look in that a bit. Nice spacious diner, nice spacious rooms. They said the heat, shown us how to work the heating should you need it on.
So.
And we've got bedroom 1. You've got chockies. No, towels. Bathroom. Did turn the light, that's there. Nice big bathroom. Oi, we've got a nice big shower there. Shampoo even, sorry, should I say. They filled us right up with a stock. Toilet roll, hairspray. Iron. We'll have to work out who's having what bedroom.
I know, I was about to say that actually. Who's having what?
Well, this was the lady's bedroom, she said.
Yeah.
Her and her daughters. No. Sisters. Very different arrangement. Apparently we're welcome to use anything that's in here.
I saw there's little beach games on one side.
Yeah, and there's also like Lilo's, like the big inflatable donuts.
Like you can float off the sea on them.
Kitchen's not a bad size either, and they have left. Oh,
Sure.
a couple of those in there. Oh, I didn't even notice these.
Didn't you?
I saw the oranges. That's what I saw. I was troubled with the oranges. Oh, that's really nice. Did you see that, you guys? Where's Dad?
What?
She goes, yeah, when I was at this side, she opened it up and she says, and I've popped some bits in the fridge. I saw the oranges and I thought, oh, lovely, because we were talking about these oranges. They're dead nice. I didn't even see this. That's nice, isn't it? There's a couple of choc icy things in there.
Choc ice, I like them. Fucking
like sandwichy ones.
Ice cube.
As ice cubes pre-made.
Yeah.
That'll hand they
And then, because it's a Airbnb, they've already got some tea bags and coffees. Is what you choose whether you want to use them.
Shit
But
bags.
Probably.
Definitely, there's no fucking.
oh no, that's not that.
Definitely cooking any steaks on there,
It
like.
rains.
Dishwasher.
We're making any steaks on there, like.
Why? You put them on a pan. That's just an electric hob. It's a ceramic hob.
Oh yeah, I'm saying.
And a washing machine. Oh, cleaning cupboard.
To me, it's really clean, but obviously, I don't own a clean business. So.
There we go. And some Lilos. And an iron. I've got to say, considering it's a full apartment, I've been into hotels and found a lot more. So,
Yeah.
and I think, I might be wrong, I'm sure there's cleaning bits. Yes! Look at that. Full cupboard of cleaning bits, so I'm in my element regardless of what happens.
I'm over the shit.
Very nice. That's a perfect end to the room tour.
On the vlog. Is that like a shrimp magnet?
I couldn't work out whether, yes it is, because I was thinking chicken drumstick. I can't even think today. This is what having 2 hours sleep does to you. That is literally what I ended up getting.
Really? I think we got about 3 maybe.
Let's I think it's very hard to fully clean a full apartment.
Oh, those pots look nifty. They look good quality.
I think everything, to be honest, I don't have an issue with it at all. I mean, I wipe round everything anyway, so that's not anything different. But off face value, I think, and the lady was lovely and friendly.
Yeah, she was, yeah.
And very accommodating, because she did say, although it doesn't affect us, that we could have the room for longer.
Yeah.
If we needed it for the night time, but it just so happens.
Anyway.
Yeah, we won't be here, so never mind. It looks cool though. Right, so due to the fact that we're a bit rambunctious, we've got to go out. Go out and save ourselves and save everywhere else. How is it the sea never seems to come in further than that? Like it's always rolling, but it never comes in. This is the life. This is holiday. This is cool. I mean, in there, not so much when you're cleaning up after damage, but. So there's our apartment. 3rd floor. Are we 3rd floor or 4th? So we've got another 2 above us, haven't we? Yeah. First, this is our final day, and this is the last time. No, the first time we've been to the beach since we've been here. We've been like on the prom and everything, but we haven't actually hit the sand. Nobody says us British don't know how to handle a bit of adverse weather.
Exactly, we make the most.
Fast asleep. What time is it? Ooh, thunder. Did you hear that then? Football on the beach at midnight. Yeah, but this is, we said, didn't we, up further up where the football thing was and the basketball, people are.
Yeah, they go there late,
Oh yeah, because we were passing yesterday, didn't we? Right, so one of these is, right, that's waste only, isn't it? Yeah. Look, you can even put brooms in it and broken plates. That's quite good. Let's see what they actually. Oh right, okay. Oh, so they do food waste, but I don't know whether they have food waste bags. So I have actually probably put food waste mixed in with the rest, because I didn't realise I did it.
Well, it's that glass, do you think? So it's got like a wine bottle on it.
Yeah, this one's
like
plastics, and then they've got cartons. All ours are plastics, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right, so plastics and tins by the looks of it. It's actually similar to home.
It is in a way, yeah, absolutely.